Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in this video, we'll discuss about introduction of image processing. So first part is what is an image. So an image is defined as a two-dimensional functions, that is function of x comma y. So where x and y are the spatial coordinates and the amplitude of f at any pair of coordinates, that is x comma y. So it's called the intensity of that image at that point. So when the x, y and amplitude values of f are finite, so we called it as a digital image. So in other words, we can say that an image can be defined by two-dimensional array specifically arranged in rows and columns. So digital image is composed of a finite number of elements, so each of which elements have a particular value at a particular location. So these elements are referred to a picture, elements, image elements and pixels. So here the pixel is the most widely used to denote the elements of a digital image. So consider image as a matrix form. So as we know, the image are represented in rows and columns. So we have the following syntax in which images are represented. So here image is in the form of a matrix. So here the image is a f of x comma y for the x and y coordinates. So the rows are f of 0 comma n minus 1, f of 1 minus 1 comma n minus 1 and so on up to the m minus 1 comma n minus 1. So here we have number of rows and columns. So the right hand side of the equation, that is this matrix form, is a digital image. So every element of this matrix is called as the image element. So consider this f of 0 comma 0. So here x value is a 0, y value is a 0. Similarly for this second column f of 0 comma 1, that is x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So here each function value or each x and y coordinate value is called as a pixel element or a picture element. So every element of this matrix is called as an image element, picture element or a pixel. So this is a collection of pixels. So consider this image. So here we have one image with some gray, black and white part. Okay, so this is a spatial representation of our image or a matrix form of an image. So each image has the different pixel values. So collection of pixel is becomes our image. So this is a gray part, white part, then dark gray part, white part, black part. Okay, so each pixel value had some or a pixel had some value, that is 170, 238, 85. Okay, the next part is types of an image. So first type is a binary image. So the binary image, as its name suggests, the content only two pixel element, that is 0 and 1. So here 0 represent a black color and 1 represent a white color. So this image is also known as a monochrome image. So this binary image is the simplest type of an image. So it takes only two values, that is black and white, that is 0 and 1. So binary image consists of one byte image or one bit image, and it takes only one binary digital to represent a pixel. So binary image are mostly used for general shapes or outline purpose. So, for example, optical character recognition, that is OCR. So, this is a simple image of a binary image having 0 and 1. that is white and black color. The next type of image is a grayscale image. In the grayscale image images have only one color. The grayscale image do not contain any information about the color. So each pixel determines available different gray levels from the white to black or black color to the white colors. So the normal grayscale image contain 8-bit or a pixel data which has the 256 different gray levels. So in medical images and astronomy, 12 or 16-bit pixels images are used. So here this image shows the gray scaling from this 0 to 1. So here 0 represent a black color and 1 represent white color. So from this scenario we get the grayscale image, gray level images. So in the grayscale we have some different 256 different shades. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is a black, that is 0. So here we have the number is a 75. So we get this gray value 185. So this is also the gray value and 255 because in the grayscale we have total 256 different grayscales. So 0 represent black color and 255 represent white color. And this is a binary representation of these values. All the 0 values, that is 8-bit pixel data, is called as a 0. Then here we have 75 decimal value. So we have 185 decimal value and for this 255 decimal values. Okay, and this is our grayscale image. The third type of an image is a colored image. So in the colored image, there are 3-band monochrome images. So in which each band contains a different color and the actual information is stored in the digital image. So the color image contains gray level information in each spectral band. So the images are represented as red, green and blue images. So there are combination of 3 images, colored images, red, green and blue. So if you are combining red and blue, so we get this color. If you are combining red and green, so we get this color. If you are combining blue and green, so we get this color. So this is a part of a colored image. So this colored image is again characterized into the 3 parts, that is 8-bit color format, 16-bit color format and 24-bit color format. So first we discuss the 8-bit color format. So it is the most famous image format. So it has 256 different shades of colors in it and commonly known as grayscale images. So in this format, 0 stands for black color and 255 stands for white color. And in between these 0 and 255 we get 127. So this is called as a grace color. The 8-bit color format is also known as a grayscale image and it was used by the Unix operating system. So the 8-bit color is used for storing image information in a computer's memory or in the file of an image. So in this format, each pixel represents one 8-bit data. So it has 0 to 255 range of colors, in which 0 is used for black and 255 is used for white and 127 for the gray. So here here in the 8-bit color format, it is a 8-bit representation. So among these 8-bit, the 3 bits are used for red color, 3 bits are used for green color and 2 bits are used for blue color. So this is a simple 8-bit color format representation. So the 16-bit, the next part is 16-bit color format. So it is the color image format. So it has 65,536 different colors in it. So it is also known as a high color format. So a 16-bit color format is actually divided into the 3 further formats, which are green, blue and red. So that famous called as a RGB format. So the 16-bit color format is also known as a high color format, and it has a 65, 536 different colors. So in RGB format, there are 5 bits for red, 6 bits are used for green, and 5 bits are used for blue color. So one addition bit is added in the green because in all the three colors, green color is soothing to eyes. Okay, so this is a simple representation of a 16-bit color format. Then last type of a color is a 24-bit color format. So the 24-bit color format is also known as the true color format. So the 24-bit color format is also distributed in red, green and blue. So as 24 can be equally divided on 8. 8 for red, 8 for green and 8 for blue. So it is distributed equality between three different colors like 8-bit for red color, green 8-bit for green color and 8-bit for the blue color. So this is a simple 24-bit color format representation for a image. Thank you.